Damn right I bought more ARK. So I already made a whole ass video in which I talk about ARK and my convictions in them, which you can watch up here. But this video talks about recent events and how I'm capitalizing on them. So in case you were unaware, these past couple of weeks, the market, the Dow and the Nasdaq have taken a bit of a downturn. Especially tech stocks. Especially EV stocks. And as a result, Cathie's ARK Innovation ETF, which primarily deals with innovative tech stocks, has taken a bit of a downturn. Now, if you check the news and you look at some of these articles, you might be led to believe that the sky is falling on ARK. If you take a look at the article by the Wall Street Journal, you will find a damning article about Cathie Wood's ARK investment faces reckoning as check trade stalls. Firms' ETFs are underperforming badly as investor sentiment shifts towards cyclical shares tied to an economic upswing. An article on Yahoo Finance, why Cathie Wood's once hot ARK Innovation ETF has lost all its 2021 gains. Now, if you look at the stock price, you can see that those sensational articles are not entirely wrong. I mean, on a one month basis, they went from 153 to 117.07, so a 23.64% decline. If we take a look at a year to date since the beginning of the year, they've lost about 6.11% in value. I mean, so yeah, there's no question that the stock price is going down. That's not something you can argue. However, as a long-term investor, that shouldn't fucking matter to you. Other than the stock price, what changed about ARK Invest? Did they replace Cathie Wood as the head? Did Cathie Wood suddenly lose all of her experience investing in the stock market? No. The only thing that changed is the fucking price. And as a long-term investor, you should be happy that this happened because now you get to buy more shares at a discount. I mean, if this was your day to sell your shares and leave the stock market entirely, yeah, I can see why you're mad. But otherwise, don't get scared. And guess what? As an experienced investor, Cathie Wood expected this to happen. Now, I know what I said in my last video about how no one has any fucking idea when a stock market correction or a stock market crash is going to happen. And I still believe that. But the point I'm trying to make is that she's prepared for it. She's already prepared for it. And if you don't believe me or you don't believe this article, well, you can watch the video yourself. Well, after this video, of course, just go to CNBC television and look for this video right here. She talks about how she expects a correction to happen. And she talks about what she's going to do about it. She's going to sell out of some losing positions and she's going to concentrate her portfolio on her highest conviction stocks. The stocks that she believes in that has gone down a shit ton. She's going to pour money into those stocks. She's not fucking selling out of the market. She's not fucking getting scared. She has a plan and she's going to follow through with it. And a recent article taken a few days ago. I'm recording this on Saturday. You'll be seeing this video on Monday. On this CNBC Pro Article that I can't fucking read. Cathie Wood is happy about Tech's recent reality check as she buys more shares of her core plays. She's doubling down on stocks that she believes in. So if you still believe in ARK, then none of this pullback should matter except as an opportunity created. And I am definitely taking advantage of that opportunity. So I first bought ARK around November last year, and I wanted to build this position out into at least a $4,000 cost basis. But as soon as I bought it at 107, the price shot up. It just kept going up and up to, I believe, roughly a 150, and so I couldn't enhance my position. Now, I did try to enhance it a little bit because my strategy with ETFs is to put a flat amount of money in on a periodic basis instead of trying to time the shares and stuff. But I mean, since January, I mean, the price kept shooting up and I just sort of, lost interest in buying more shares. But now that the price is dropping, yeah, you best believe I bought more shares. I bought 3 shares on the 3rd and I bought 3 shares on the 5th. Now, ARK is one of my higher conviction stocks. Well, ETFs, but ARK is one of my higher conviction positions. And so if this continues to drop, You know, it depends on what the market does the next week. But if this continues to drop, I'm going to see myself getting this up to a $4,000 cost basis really quick. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.